In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark as pending on Facebook Marketplace. If you've already found a buyer for one of your marketplace items, marking the listing as pending is a simple way to let other people know that the item is currently in the process of being sold. This helps reduce extra messages and keeps your listing status more up to date. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, log into your Facebook account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you're using the account that originally created the marketplace listing, since that's the one that will have permission to edit it. After you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Marketplace. This will take you into the Facebook Marketplace section, where you can manage your buying and selling activity. Depending on your screen size, the layout may look slightly different, but the Marketplace option is usually easy to find in the main navigation area. Once you're in Marketplace, click your profile icon. This opens up your seller-related options and account tools for Marketplace. From there, select your listings. This section shows all of the items you currently have posted, along with any listings you may have already updated, renewed, or sold. Now open the listing you want to update. Take a second to make sure you've selected the correct item, especially if you have several similar listings active at the same time. Choosing the right listing before making any changes can help you avoid updating the wrong item by mistake. After the listing opens, click Mark as Pending. This tells Facebook Marketplace that the item isn't fully sold yet, but that someone may already be planning to buy it. It's a useful option when you're waiting for pickup, payment, or final confirmation from a buyer. When prompted, confirm the change. Once confirmed, the listing status will update to pending. At that point, other shoppers will be able to see that the item is not currently fully available in the normal way. And that's it. You've successfully marked your Facebook Marketplace listing as pending. If your sale goes through, you can later return to the listing and update it again as sold. If the buyer changes their mind, you can also go back and adjust the status as needed. Keeping your listing updated helps make the selling process smoother and gives buyers a better experience overall.